Hi guys, this is Burek. So I'm going to show why I think a local-based camera system is better. So we have different competitors like cloud-based solutions that predominantly all rely on the internet to function. If the internet goes off, their system shuts down. But I want to show you how our system works. So here's my system at home. And I have a bunch of cameras around the house, one inside the house to watch my 3D printer, and one at a different property. So what I'm going to do is I am going to disable the internet. So my modem is on the right, that brings the connection in. I have another network behind it that runs all the network equipment. So I'm going to disable the router. The server will stay up, and everything else will stay up, even though the internet is disconnected. So I just disconnected the internet, but the network is still up. So right now I'm watching a YouTube video, and in a matter of seconds, the YouTube video will stop because there's no more internet. And just to demonstrate, I will go ahead and show you the touchscreen. The camera that's outside of the network just disconnected because there's no internet. And Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
So you can see, no internet. So what I'm going to do is walk outside. But first, you can see the TV just stopped because there's no internet. But I'm going to walk outside. And I'm going to walk in view of the camera. So the camera just saw me. And in a matter of seconds, the TV will display the camera outside. So this is happening without internet. It still recognizes the person who was outside, and it displayed the camera on the television. Also, I can still see the cameras inside the house, and I can still view all my recordings. So this is the system, all the content on a specific day that it saw a person on camera. So if I were to go ahead and play a connection or play a video clip, it will still give me full functionality to do so, even though there's no internet. So the overlay is still there, and there's the clip. Just like that. So no internet still gives you recording functions, still gives you overlay functions, and in some cases we can even create it to still give you voice responses both inside and outside of the house. And I will demonstrate that on a later video, but thank you for watching.